Good day, I'm Stacey Ann Smith and this is your JIS News for July 31. The scrap metal trade could be up and running soon with new regulations to govern its operations. That's according to the Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Anthony Hilton. He says the ministry is committed to reinstating the trade in the shortest possible time.
We have taken every possible caution, dotted every I and crossed every T, checked, cross-checked and rechecked to ensure that we plug every loophole, create the barriers and impediments to unscrupulous individuals and companies to get the industry up and running.
The minister says a number of new measures will be implemented to address past issues. These are to include the establishment of central scrap metal processing and loading sites on a phased basis. The trade will also be managed as either industrial or non-industrial to make regulation easier. Companies approved to carry out industrial trade will face stiff penalties if proof of the theft of scrap metal is found. Non-industrial scrap will have to be exported from the central scrap metal processing and loading site, and anyone found breaching these regulations will also face stiff penalties. Minister of Science, Technology, Energy and Mining Philip Paulwell is stressing that the application of science and technology is critical if Jamaica is to improve its efficiency and competitiveness in business. The minister says it's also important to utilize local talents to build on existing technologies through innovation and adding value to our primary products and raw materials.
More than just for you to innovate and develop things, we need to use those innovations to create wealth and jobs. As a country now, we have to look at adding value, because that is what is going to make the difference between us remaining where we are, underdeveloped, and for us to take the leap to becoming a first world country.
The Tourism and Entertainment Ministry is moving to upgrade and refurbish the Roaring River attraction in Westmoreland using the Tourism Enhancement Fund, TEF. Portfolio Minister Dr. Wickham McNeil says the facility cannot remain in its current run-down condition, stressing that with its natural cave, lagoon and mineral spring, it's of great importance to Jamaica's tourism product. He says upgrading the attraction will bring more visitors and create economic spin-offs. Roaring River runs underground before appearing near the mouth of a gigantic cave, which is a series of limestone caverns with a small mineral spring inside. There's also a freshwater sinkhole where visitors can swim and a landscaped private garden. The Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM, has received a new vehicle to help boost its response time and operational resources. The $2.85 million 2009 Nissan X-Trail was donated by the Canadian International Development Agency, CIDA, and will be assigned to the Commission's Montego Bay office. INDECOM Commissioner Terence Williams welcomed the donation, saying it would help to speed up the Commission's response time as it relates to processing incident scenes.
Our investigators have been kind enough and determined enough to their task to be available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to respond to these incidents, and to drive oftentimes in their private cars. And we're happy today to receive this vehicle.
And finally, the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission is decrying reports that unscrupulous persons have been selling tickets for the August 6 Grand Gala show. The Commission has released a statement stressing that tickets for the Grand Gala and other Jamaica 50 events are not for sale. In the meantime, the Jamaica Urban Transit Company, JUTC, will be offering a park and ride service for the Jamaica 50 Golden Jubilee Village at Independence Park from August 1 to 6. Park and ride locations will be at King's House East Grounds, Upper Camps W.